Hey, I'm Philip with Flip My Bronco, and today I am going to unbox and install the upgraded phone holder from MABETT. There we go. Alright, so what I've got right here is the MABETT cell phone, or the MABETT upgraded cell phone holder. Not even opened it up. Reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I wanted to do any collaborations with them, and I said absolutely. I've been looking for a holder, cell phone holder to put my phone up there and to put a radio. Got a handheld radio that I was looking to install. Okay, sorry, I dropped my phone and all the things. Let's open it up, let's see what we got. All right, so we've got the instructions. I guess I'll have to look at that in a minute. I said in the other video I don't like to look at instructions. One piece of paper, hopefully straightforward. It comes with 2 ball joints, 1 phone bracket, and like a ball joint connecting rod that comes with it. It's gonna stretch all the way across the dash. Here are all the pieces in there. And honestly, it's on Amazon right now. I have the link in the description for you. It is on Amazon right now for $19.99. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I am an Amazon affiliate. And if you click on this link and you buy it, I get a tiny little percentage in commission, and it goes to help support this channel so I can buy more stuff, put it in more videos. So it's on there for $19.99. Typically it's $29.99. It is aluminum. It feels solid. Let's go ahead and get it installed. Let's see. All right, direction number 1 says arrange components A, B, and C as shown in the diagram. Fantastic. Cover component A over B and C. Align the holes at the bottom of the 3 components and use assembly bolts. I and tool M to secure the connection. We'll do that now. Okay, I got it together. See? Here we go. Directions number 5, connect component D to component B. So I'm gonna take one of these end piece, stick it onto the end, like something like that. Okay, now I've got it all assembled. Here, that's the bottom side of it. Flip it over. Got it right here. And it is going to go in just like so. So there's little slots in the back of this dash, and it fits perfectly into those, and it's got little pieces of 3M tape right there that'll sit inside, and I'll show you those little slots there. They kind of fit straight in. Here's a better view what it's going to look like. It's proving quite difficult to have the space to record in here also, make it look good. All right, move on. Kind of stuck you on the back of the passenger seat right here. I think it's a pretty good shot. All right, so the next thing that we have, tighten those up. Now we're going to insert. So what they have right here are these little screw like squares, right, that I'm going to drop into the top like this. Go into the top just like that, and they can slide along in the rail right there. Pretty easy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this into place. Pull the stickers off, put it into place. Right. Who would have thought the first complication that I'm running into is trying to get the tape to stick. It's sticky. It's too sticky, actually. Having a hard time pulling this little paper off. You know what? We're not gonna take it off. We're just gonna stick it in there. And hopefully you will just mount. All right. So I have in here one, two, three, four, 5, and 6 already in there. 6 of these little squares. So I'm gonna drop 3 in one side. All right, so I have installed the first ball joint right there. As it sits. So I'll probably want my cell phone right there. Again, if you've had any of these mounts, you just loosen a little bit, slide it left or right. And again, let me emphasize, I really like the way that this looks. It looks really good. It's kind of like powder coated looking. For only 20 bucks, like all day long, you should buy this. So I'll get it into position. I'll probably want my cell phone about right there. Let's just tighten it down a little bit. And so got the be interesting to see how this looks when it's all together. Dang, GoPro says it's getting too hot. Hold on. All right, let's do this. Let me wrap you around. Right here, like that, GoPro. Maybe you won't be in such a hot spot. Right here. All right, so here's what I've done. Right, I've tightened this guy up. Put the cell phone mount right here. And all you gotta do is just tighten that part. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the big whole thing down right now too, because it's moving around. It says this, you should do that at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. Boom, there we go. Looks pretty good. It's not up too high. It's not gonna be all in the way. Got it set up pretty nice. Okay, got my cell phone into it. I can swing it back and forth, sitting there. Not in a terrible spot, like as I'm driving. It's not distracting. Have it up there. Got me and my son and our lacrosse gear right there. Pretty good. Okay. I said I'm gonna give you an honest review. I'm trying to. The stupid GoPro is overheating. But the honest review here is that I like it. I like the way that it looks. It's pretty cool setup, but I'm not fired up that I can't put my GoPro mount. This thing won't catch into the rail, which is what I use. Found the solution. I'm not a dummy. All right, so what I'm gonna take is that it's got little Allen wrenches right there. I can loosen those Allen nuts and extend the screw, and the screw should catch, and I should be able to put it in there. All's right with the world. We'll see. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. All right. I can put my GoPro on there now still. See where I get my shots from. All right, sweet. May have to slide that over, but not too bad. Not too bad. Or I could flip-flop them. I don't know, I could put this over here, take this off, put it over there. Either way, I'm very happy. All right, so now, real review. I really like the way that this looks. I do like the metal. Maybe I have to figure out the sides and the tape down here. Maybe I could put some 3M tape right there to hold it down just a little bit tighter. But I like the look, I like the feel. I really, really, really like the price at $19.99 right now. So click the link in the description to go buy it. Normally $30, so you get a third off. So anything that you do, anything that you buy through this link is gonna help this channel, so I appreciate you. Yeah, go ahead and try it out for $19.99. It's one of the more affordable things out there. So when MABETT reached out to me and they asked, today, why not? Send me this. I've been looking for one. So I give it a thumbs up. $19.99. It'll hold my GoPro and it'll hold my phone, right? And then seems to be pretty solid. Set up other things too. If you find any value in what I'm doing, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. I appreciate you watching, and I'm Philip with Flip My Bronco.